This is how to make a slime pizza. First, get a bowl. Second, put yogurt in. Third, put flour in. Then get a spoon and mix. Till you have dough. You take the dough on a plate. You massage it. Somehow you're able to get it out. You turn it around. You have the pizza. Then I have a tomato. I open a hole in the mouth. I put sugar in it, in the mouth, and it becomes into the tomatoes ketchup.
Crazy.
No, it is. Next, they put cheese. Pearl Pacific cheese on. Ooh. Now,
Cheesy.
you get a big strip of cheese. I got a knife. Chop some cheese off. 1 piece of cheese. 2 pieces. 3 pieces of cheese. 4 pieces of cheese.
This is very dramatic.
5 pieces of cheese.
This
Then,
is very dramatic.
what did you say?
This is very dramatic.
Okay. Anyway, then you cut it. You get some pepperoni. Let me get some pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
So you get the sausage. You cut it. Put some in there. And then you finally do the last ingredient.
What?
This is how I love my pizza. More pepperoni.
You like extra pepperoni?
Okay, pause the video and we'll be back.